Hey guys, it's me, 𝙂𝙚𝙖𝙧. We're in the garage today with the 2024 Chevy Trax. We're doing a little mod. A little while ago I put 𝙂𝙖𝙧 lights in the rear cargo area. That area seems to be very dim. So I put those in and they're great, but then of course I'm a nut with lighting. So I ended up finding an alternative, and we're going to get to that next. Alright guys, like I said, I did have 𝙂𝙖𝙧s in there. I took them out and put the stock bulb in so you can see the dull halogen that comes with the cars. I really do wish they put HIDs in, but they don't, so we can have fun doing it ourselves. It's very easy to remove this part. Okay, before we start, you're going to want to get one of these little pry tools. That's all you need. Just get behind there, pull it out. It's very simple. You're going to want to just get behind the bulb and push it out. Alright, next you're going to want to get this part off here. You're going to have to excuse these wires. I have these lights that I installed, like a strip that goes in the back, and I had it soldered to this. I took them out, so we're going to put them on the new ones eventually. They just pry that off, and that part's done. Alright, then we got the new product. I've actually opened these up just to check them out, and they do come with actually two units. So basically that's what they look like. As you can see, there's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 LEDs in there. So they're pretty bright. Like I say, you get two of them, and they're plug and play. So you want to put that one aside. For the price and me being a nut when it comes to lighting, I thought, why not? Let's do this. Alright guys, I thought we'd check out both of the units here just to compare the two. Here's the stock one, which the bulb would be in, and this is the LED. If we flip them over to the side, you can see the thickness on this one. This one is going to have to be forced in a little bit, but it will click in. Where you can see this one's a lot thinner, the stock one. Flip it over. Yeah, so there you go. They got the 18 or so chip style LEDs, and this is where the one bulb would go in. So this is a really great upgrade if you guys want to really light up the back cargo area of your vehicle. I encourage you to check it out, and you won't be disappointed. Let's just say that. Okay, so now you're just gonna take it and line it up properly. Whoa, boy, that's bright. And you can see the difference, and it just snaps right in there.
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby.
Alright, these are a little bit tighter, so you might have to use a little force, but they do go in. Just gotta force it in there, and there you go. She's in there, and I tell you, they're pretty bright. I'm gonna turn this little light I got on here. Yeah, they're bright. They shine up the whole area back here. I gotta say 5-6 times better than the 𝙂𝙖𝙧s did. So there you go. So that pretty much does it for that mod. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna have another video out about the backup lights. I don't know which I'm gonna upload first.
You're gonna slap yourself.
But we'll see what happens. Until the next one, have a good one and stay safe.